Right, question 1. Laura's a four-sided spinner. Probabilities there. Work out that the probability will not land on 1. The probability to land on 2 and 4 is equal. So, first thing we can do is not 1. So, probability of not 1 is 1 minus the probability of it being 1. So, we get 0.75 there. B. Work out the probability that the spin will land on a 2. So we know that 4 and 2 have got an equal chance of happening. So first of all, what we want to do here is probability of a 2 will be 1 minus these two added together. And then halved. So it's 1 minus 0.6 and halved. So half of 0.4, which is 0.2. So they're the two answers for question 1. Question 2. A lot of table here, a lot of information about Mr. and Mrs. Jones planning a holiday from the Majestic Hotel. Table gives information about price of the Majestic Hotel. Mr. and Mrs. Jones are thinking about going on holiday, and what they are considering is going on holiday on the 20th of February. So the 20th of February will be in this area here for 7 nights. So we're looking at this one. Or on the 10th of April, which is this one, and we're looking for 14 nights. Price per child is this, so we've got information here. They have 2 children. Compare the cost of these holidays for the Jones family. So 95% of adult price for 7 nights, price per child, and 85% of adult price for 14 nights. So what we have then is for the first one, so we've got the 20th of February one. Then that one will be 2 lots of our £714, which is £1,428. And then we've also got 95% of that value, so you can times 0.95, that'll give you 95% straight away of 714. That'll give you 1. And we times that by 2 because there's 2 kids. So we then get £1,356.60. Add those two values together, and that will give us £2,784.60. And then we've got the other one, which is for 14 nights on the 10th of April. So the 10th of April one. Again, we've just got the 2 times £802, which is £1,604. And then we've got 85% of the adult price, so they're making it slightly cheaper, but it'll be more expensive overall because of the adult price in part. So 0.85 times by 802 times that then by 2. So we get £1,363.40. Add those two together, and you get £2,967.40. Compare the costs. So it's more expensive going on the 10th of April. It's not a major surprise this, because 14 days generally will be more expensive unless you go at a different time of the year, but it is more expensive. Question 3. Usman wants to find out a method of transport people use in the shopping centre. Design a suitable data collection sheet that you could use. So what we've got then, the types, so we're pretty much looking here for a tally chart. So we've got types here, we've got tally, and then we must have a frequency column as well. Methods of transport, so we've got car, bus, train, plain, and then just put other at the bottom, so then you're covered on all types. And they're tallying the frequency. Job done. Question 4. Zoe recorded heart rates in beats per minute of each 15 people before and after she's asked them to walk up some stairs. She recorded the heart rates again, shows back-to-back stem and leaf. Compare the heart rates of people before they walked up the stairs with the heart rates afterwards. Right, so what we need to do is comparisons first of all of medians or means, so an average, and then a comparison of a range, and make a statement after each one. So I think what I'll do here is do the median, because the median is quite easy to work out, because we've got 15, so we've got median lies at 15 plus 1 divided by 2, so 16 divided by 2 is the 8th value. So if we count the 8th value in, so we've got before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so before it was 67, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, after it was 78. So what has happened, that on average the heart rates have increased after walking upstairs. And then we're going to do the, I would probably say, if you can get away with the range, then do the range. So the range before is just the biggest to the smallest, so it's 58 minus 84, sorry, 54 divided by 84, I'll get it right eventually, 84 divided by 58, which is 26, and after, the biggest number is 102, and then your smallest number is 65, which is 37. So you can then say heart rates are more consistent. You could say less spread out before the activity. And there's your 6 marks.